Want to know how to fix the couldn't load high-resolution images issue on Messenger for Android? This usually happens because of network problems, outdated apps, or missing permissions. Let me walk you through how to fix it quickly. Solution 1. Clear Messenger cache and data. Open your phone settings. Tap on Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Open Messenger and check if the image loads. Solution 2. Update the Messenger app. Open the Play Store. Search for Messenger. If there's an update, tap Update. Open the app again. Solution 3. Check app permissions. Open Settings. Go to Apps and find Messenger. Tap Permissions. Make sure the access to storage or files and media is allowed. Try loading the image again. And that's it. One of these should fix the issue. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Android tips. Still stuck? Drop a comment and I'll try to help.